Namaskar, I am Devidatta and welcome to my channel. Most of you must have seen my video on Nauli Kriya, the Kriya where you do the abdomen rotation. And some of you are finding it difficult to do it. One of the main reasons for not able to achieve Nauli Kriya is lack of strength in your core muscles. So this video is about the same. So for people who want to do Nauli Kriya, it's important to have a strong core muscle. And for others, it's always good to have a good strong core muscles. So let's see. So I will be showing you progressions of some simple practices to help you strengthen the core muscles. So let's lie down. Whenever you do any practice to strengthen the core muscles, it's very important that you keep the core muscles engaged throughout the practices. So two simple steps to engage the core muscles are, first is you make the back flat. So don't curve the back. When you do this, the core muscles are never engaged. So make the back flat, automatically you will feel a lot of strength in your core muscles. And second thing, if these are your hip bones, imagine there is a thread and you have to tie a knot at the center. So two threads coming from the hip bone and you tie a knot in the center wherein these hip bones are coming closer to each other. Physically that movement is not possible. But by just visualizing this, you are engaging certain core muscles. Now the first practice is just lifting one leg up and down. So keep the core muscles engaged and take one leg up, bring it closer to the ground, up, bring it closer to the ground. Do this for about 8 to 10 times with one leg and then repeat with the other leg. So that is for the beginner. The second level, you keep one leg in the air and then do the leg movement with the other leg. The variation in this is you keep the leg up straight in the air and move the other leg. So each leg has to be done for about 10 counts. So keeping the leg up, the other leg moves 10 count. Then you keep the leg which is down constant and move the leg up and down 10 counts and alternate it. Now in the second practice, you lift both the legs halfway up, keeping them bent. Again, engage the core by practicing the 2 points which I told before. And then you just move one leg forward, bring it back. One leg forward, bring it back. Try not to take the leg up. Try to take it down. Do it for about 8 to 10 times with one leg and then you do the same thing with the other leg. See that the leg which is kept steady is not coming closer to your body. So the knee is above the hip and maintain that. Don't allow the heel to drop down. Maintain the leg which is kept steady. This is level 1. In the level 2, keeping the leg in the same position, lift the upper body up as much high as possible. If you can't, keep the hands by the side of your body, keep it under your head, interlock the fingers. And same position. The leg goes out, comes back. Leg goes out, comes back. 8 to 10 times with each leg. After doing this, if this is also easier for you, then you do the same thing with both the legs. Legs go out, come back. Legs go out, come back. Lower, come back. Lower, and come back. And then relax. The third practice is sit up with the legs bent, stretch the hands in front. Now slowly with the curve back, you start going down as much as possible and then slowly come up, straighten the back. With the curve back, as if you are touching one vertebrae at a time from the lower back and you come up. Do this for about 4 to 5 times or more. If this becomes easier, the same thing can be done with one leg up. curve back, down, up, down, and up. And the last one is where you balance. So you balance, straighten the leg and go down, bend the leg, bring it closer to the abdomen and come up. Straighten the leg, go down, bend the leg, come up. Like this for about 5 to 10 times. Always remember that whatever you are doing, do it as per your capacity. Start off with the basic level and slowly, gradually increase the intensity. I am sure this will work on your core muscles and that will further improve your practice of the Nauli Kriya. Try it out and please let me know how it feels, the difference in the practice of your Nauli Kriya in the comment box below. Thank you.